Let us think of education as the means of developing our greatest abilities, because in each of us there is a private hope and dream, which fulfilled can be translated into benefit for everyone.
As a master's student of theoretical and mathematical physics, I have visited UC Berkeley to do research in cosmology.
During my second year of PhD, I got a chance to study computational structural biology at UCSF.
I spent 10 weeks at Stanford University and I was focusing on analysis of news articles.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Discovery Houston, recommend vector transfer to the BFS.
We are the second generation ASEF fellows, and there are 4 of us.
My focus was on perturbation theory of gravitation with connection to the large-scale structure.
In the time I spent at UC Berkeley, I was working on projects using cutting-edge web technologies.
I met some of the best scientists in the field, which greatly advanced my work.
I still keep in touch with my mentor, and we are continuing to collaborate on different projects.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My new network enables me to do things I couldn't do before.
And this is it. My summer story continues with the preparation of a paper.
Roger, main beam is holding. Okay, stand by 13, we're looking at it.
I recently joined a startup company, and I can tell you, the summer experience was so valuable to me.
I usually went to campus with my bike, so I was able to enjoy the sunny Californian weather.
I stayed with a great Slovenian couple and their cool dog. So cool, I became a dog person.
I'm super grateful for my host family. They made me feel at home.
The purpose of learning is growth, and our minds, unlike our bodies, can continue growing as we continue to live.